Great Lakes. We are currently driving in Winnipeg. There's not much here to see. I should have done that when I was going downtown Winnipeg. That's what I should have done, but I didn't. I wasn't thinking of that. I was thinking of beautiful buildings and why am I down here? Anyways, we are trying to make our way to the truck stop, as I've already delivered 2 skids on a Sunday, which the customer screwed up and didn't know how to count. Ooh, that's a nice car. Damn, that's a nice car. Look at that car. Nice car. Anyway, oh, there's a truck stop here too, but I'm not going to take this one. I needed the Flying J because I need to get fuel, and I need to park. That's what I want to do, and what I need to do. Oh, been a long day already. I've driven 500 miles just to get here. Delivered part of a load. Sat there forever. Delivered my load. Wow, one of many. And now I got to make my way to the truck stop. I wondering if this is Highway 1 yet. No, I don't think this is Highway 1 yet. I think I've been down this way before. Yeah, I've been down this way before. I'll be going down this way again. Hey, look at that. That's Peterbilt right there. And their new trucks that they got right there. Sorry for the bugs, guys. It's been a very long day. I promise I will have it. Well, I'll have these bugs wiped off. I guarantee you there's going to be more bugs. This is bug season. Was I an idiot and sitting here waiting to go on a green light? Or was that just, I don't think I was. Oh, there it is. There it is. Miss America. Or Miss Canadian. I would say America, but I'm not in the States right now. I am currently in Winnipeg, Manitoba. And I'm getting hungry. What am I going to have for dinner? I guess I can have myself a sausage. I made myself a sandwich, very light, thick sandwich. I don't know what I'm going to have. Look at that. We don't just come with one trailer, we come with 2 trailers. We are 8.2 miles to the truck stop. So you have at least 8 more miles of seeing parts of Winnipeg. And it looks like we're going to be leaving Winnipeg a little bit here. I hope everybody's having a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed your 4th of July and your Canada Day. I really do. I hope you guys got really drunk or not drunk at all, or just had a great time is really what it matters. Really, I guess you don't have to drink to have a good time. As long as you did have a good time, and unless you're a poor bastards like myself that have to work. Oh, train. Delivered my loads. Well, I'll get most of them done tomorrow. And I'll have 2 drops left to do. One in Minnesota, one in Iowa. And then I got to reload. Oh, we're not going to make this light. We're not going to make this light. Kind of like that though. Prepared to stop. It gives away that guessing, am I going to make it through the light or not kind of thing. Yeah, I guess I'm going to be working. We got 18 hours and 20 minutes left of my 70. I did a couple of different trips, different things before I even took this Winnipeg load. So more than likely will be more than likely be sorry, yawning, constantly yawning. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. See, I'm Canadian. I'm saying sorry all the time. I gotta run my recap hours back, or if I ever get so much, I get them back. I started my day on Tuesday, so Tuesday night I should get back some hours. Winnipeg. We're going to be hitting the 101 soon. That's what we're going to be doing. Hitting the 101. That should be the next exit. Once we get on the highway, pretty sure it'll be the next exit over. Will be the exit that we're going to need, I think. Don't quote me on that one. I'm only 4.7 miles. 4.7 miles to the Flying J. I gotta get fuel, reefer, DEF. All the above. No, I'm not on any kind of drug. Unless being high on life is a drug. I'm just glad the day is almost over. I got tomorrow I gotta be at my first delivery for 7, then my next delivery by 8, and then I gotta drop 2 other deliveries off at a different warehouse so they can deliver that for me. Because technically tomorrow's Canada Day, but you guys won't get this until, you won't see this until after Canada Day, after the 4th of July too. So, but tomorrow for me is Canada Day. But for you guys, it's just another day. Just another day. Definitely hungry. That's probably why I'm tired. yawning. That, and I've had a long day. We're getting into, just about to get on to the 101, which is the highway that goes around Winnipeg. It's something that Toronto, Ontario should have, but it's not going to happen because there's just no room to put a highway around it. Well, they do got one, it's called the 407, but it's a paid highway. Stupid. So, I don't go on it. I don't want to pay. And I saw that the other day, I saw it, and it was backed up just like the 401, which is a highway that goes right through Toronto. So, you're paying to sit in a traffic jam. Okay. So now we are on the roundabout here. Yeah. Uh-oh. The Bronco doesn't know what he wants to do. Fuel and then park. So I'm not getting fuel tomorrow morning. This ain't happening. I'm getting my fuel and then go. Saying the same thing. Alright. There's the Flying J. This is Highway 1. We don't call them interstates, we call them highways. campers camping out in Walmart and the Flying J, which makes ridiculous sense. We still get our hitchhikers. And here is the Flying J. Well, not bad looking Flying J. Just like that. We're gonna stop right there. So I hope you guys, as Chance would say, Chance, we're talking here. Hey, knock it off. I guess she's already said enough for us. Have yourself a fantastic day. Bye for now.